Hi, Jeff. Thank you so much for taking out time to watch my video. My name is Tisha. You and I spoke this week in regards to sending over a custom video for your company. I came across your company while doing research of plumbers in your area, and I wanted to provide some tips for increasing your online presence, getting more traffic to your website, and bringing in more business. So today we'll be talking about three different areas, one being content, citations, and backlinks. So the first would be content. Content is anything that can be found on your website. So any words that you're currently using, videos, pictures, how the pictures are saved. So in order to rank on Google, what they're looking for is at least 1,500 to 2,000 words. So for your website, you will want to increase the amount of content that you currently have. And by doing so, you are able to utilize more keywords. Now, keywords is what's typed into Google or a search engine to find a certain service or a particular company. And so the more keywords that you currently have, the more business you'll bring in, or people will find your website. And we'll take a look to see how many you're utilizing as well as your competitors as well. The next will be citations. So citations is anywhere your name, your business name, phone number, and address can be found on the web. So this could be through Angie's List, local directories, Facebook, LinkedIn, so various different areas. So you want to make sure that you have as many citations available or that you're registered for as many directories as possible. Now, the next thing is when I Googled plumbers in Sacramento, let me show you what I found. So the first we'll see here is going to be your pay-per-click. So these are companies that have are paying for clicks to their company. The next would be the map pack. Now the map pack is very important to be in. Generally, people will click on the first website or phone number that they see. So one thing we will be aiming for is to get you in this map pack. The next would be what we call an organic search. So these are the companies that I found that are your top competitors. Now, Bonnie Plumbing and then Roto Hero. So those would be the two main companies, the top competitors, I should say. And then, of course, you'll see other companies here, Yelp and Boyd Plumbing, Home Advisors. So for the purpose of doing the comparison today, then I will be looking at Bonnie Plumbing and Rooter Hero. Now, I was able to find you on page 11. And I'm showing that you were 109. So our main goal would be to get you on the first page, by implementing some of these tips. So let's go ahead and take a look at a tool that we use called Ahrefs. Now this shows exactly how your website is doing. So the first that we look at are backlinks. So I'm showing that you have 37. Now backlinks are any links that are found on a web page that leads back over to your website. So it does bring in more traffic to the website. Now, the more backlinks that you have, the more traffic you'll get. Now, I'm showing that you're utilizing 22 keywords, not bringing in too much traffic to the website or bringing in too much revenue. So our main goal would be to increase the backlinks, keywords, and bring in more customers and more money for yourself. If we look at the keywords that you're currently using, okay, so one being your business name, and then when people are typing in that's right here, this is how they're actually finding your company. The next would be Bonnie Plumbing. So they're utilizing almost 6,000, they have almost 6,000 backlinks, over 7,000 keywords, over 4,000 people are going to their website monthly, bringing in traffic of about 56,000 in revenue. Now, again, when we look at our competitors and they have several backlinks, so what we would do is aim at using some of the same backlinks that your competitors are currently using. Also look at their keywords that they're currently using to bring in more revenue and traffic. So for this company, these are some of the keywords that they're currently using. And so this is what people are typing in to find their website. So again, we can use the same keywords to help your business out. Okay. The next is going to be Router Hero. So they have over 24,000 backlinks. They're using over 6,000 keywords, have over 11,000 people coming to their website and bringing in a revenue of over 310,000. This tool that we're using, it's not 100% accurate, but it can give you a general idea of, how the business is doing. And these are some of the keywords that they're currently using. Okay, so again, we can implement some of those same keywords for your business. Okay, so I hope that you have enjoyed some of these tips that I provided to help you increase traffic and more business and revenue for yourself. You're welcome to use these tips that I have provided, or if you would like to talk about this in depth, please give me a call at 916-378-9773. Again, thank you for taking out the time to watch my video. You have a good day.